Hello everyone. In this video, I will tell you how to find out the value of tan alpha minus beta. What is its derivation, from where it has come. We can find its value in two ways, either using the formula of sin alpha minus beta and cos alpha minus beta. As we can see, tan alpha minus beta is sin, because we know that tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Either using this or with the help of tan alpha plus beta, we can also find out. Let's see. With the help of tan alpha plus beta, how can we find out the value of tan alpha minus beta? We know that tan alpha plus beta equals tan alpha plus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. Now replacing beta by minus beta in, say this is equation 1. In equation 1, we get tan alpha plus minus beta equals tan alpha plus tan minus beta upon 1 minus tan alpha into tan minus beta. And we know that tan minus beta equals minus tan beta. Using that concept, it would be tan alpha minus beta equals tan alpha, and tan minus beta would be minus tan beta upon 1 minus tan alpha into tan minus beta will be minus tan beta, and minus minus will become plus tan beta. So we can see with the help of tan alpha plus beta, the value of tan alpha minus beta would be tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. This is the one way, first method, using the value of tan alpha plus beta, using the formula tan alpha plus beta. But if we want to find out tan alpha minus beta with the help of sin alpha minus beta and cos alpha minus beta, how we will do it, let's see. Second method. So using the formula of tan alpha minus beta and cos alpha minus beta, how to find out the value of tan alpha minus beta? Let's see. Tan alpha minus beta. We know that tan theta equals sin theta upon cos theta. Sin alpha minus beta, we know its formula. Sin alpha into cos beta minus cos alpha into sin beta upon formula of cos alpha minus cos beta, cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. Now dividing numerator and denominator by cos alpha cos beta. Dividing numerator and denominator by. Now what we will do, we will divide numerator and denominator by cos alpha cos beta. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos alpha cos beta, that is sin alpha cos beta upon cos alpha cos beta, cos alpha sin beta upon cos alpha cos beta, cos alpha cos beta upon cos alpha cos beta, sin alpha sin beta upon cos alpha into cos beta. We can see over here, it will cancel out, and this whole will cancel out, and we can see over here sin alpha upon cos alpha will be tan alpha minus sin beta upon cos beta tan beta upon, this is 1 plus sin alpha upon cos alpha and sin beta upon cos beta, that is tan alpha into tan beta. So we can see the formula for tan alpha minus beta equals tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. Now its application, where we use it and how to use it. Let's see. If we want to find out the value of like tan 15 degree, how to find out? We can write as tan 15 degree equals tan 45 minus 30. This is alpha and this is beta. Using the formula of tan alpha minus beta, it would be tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. Tan 45 is 1 from the trigonometric table, and tan 30 degree is 1 upon square root of 3 upon 1 plus tan 45 is 1, tan 30 degree 1 upon square root of 3. Taking root 3 LCM, you will get this upon root 3 plus 1 upon root 3. Root 3 will cancel out. We will have square root of 3 minus 1 upon square root of 3 plus 1. Tan 15 degree equals square root of 3 minus 1 upon square root of 3 plus 1. How to find its value? We will rationalize it. Multiplying by root 3 minus 1, it will become root 3 minus 1 whole square upon a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. That is, using the identity a minus b whole square, it will be 3 plus 1 root 3 plus 1 3 plus 1 minus 2 root 3 upon square root of 3 would be 3 minus 1. It will become 4 minus 2 square root 3 upon 2. Taking 2 common and cancelling out, it would be 2 minus root 3 upon 2. That is 2 minus square root of 3. Hence, we conclude that tan 15 degree will be equal to 2 minus square root of 3. That's all in this video. Thank you.